have you on the other side, please. Same thing here. This arm out. Cross that there. And that top leg, keep that leg straight. Now let's have you scooch closer. You can scooch out on closer. Good. And we'll cross your arms. Yep, just like that. Beautiful. Let's have you on your back, please.